In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and utilize some of Canva's useful features to elevate your design game. Canva is a popular graphic design platform that makes visual content creation a breeze, whether you're a novice or a seasoned designer. So let's dive right in and ensure you can use these tools with confidence. First, you'll want to open your browser and go to Canva. If you already have a Canva account, simply log in using your credentials. In case you're new to Canva, signing up is quite straightforward. Just follow the prompts on the screen to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by Canva's user-friendly dashboard where you can start creating. Once you're on the platform, you can either start a new design or edit an existing one. There are various template options available that you can customize according to your needs. Whether it's an infographic, a social media post, or a poster, Canva offers diverse templates to kickstart your creativity. Now let's say you have a basic shape on your canvas, like a circle or a square, and you want to change its color. Start by clicking on the shape you wish to modify. You'll see a floating toolbar appear above. Find and click on the color tool, which will bring up the color palette window, where you can select a new color that fits your design scheme. You can choose from basic colors or input a specific hex code if you're aiming for a particular shade. If you're working with images, one useful feature in Canva is the background removal tool. To use this, click on your image to make sure it's selected. Look for the BG Remove button in the toolbar that appears. If your image doesn't have the background removed yet, click this button and Canva will automatically remove it, allowing you to isolate the subject of your image, which is great for creating sleek designs. To further enhance your image, hover to the floating toolbar at the top and click on Edit. You'll see various editing options on the left side of the interface. Scroll down to find the Effects section and click on it. One particularly engaging effect is the duotone, which lets you change the tonal color of images, giving them a striking and modern look. Choose a duotone effect you like and apply it. After applying the effect, you can further customize it by adjusting the highlights. Simply select different highlight colors until you find one that harmonizes with your design vision. Similarly for the shadows, select a color that meshes well with both the highlight and the existing elements of your design, aiming for consistency and visual appeal. With these tips, you'll be able to better utilize Canva's capabilities. Practice using these tools to discover what works best for you, and soon you'll be crafting designs like a pro. Happy designing!